Hello everyone, welcome to yet another live trading session. As you can see, the time is almost 1 o'clock and the date is 8th of July. Today we will be trading with Aura Pharma and I'll give you the explanation after I have set up the trading because the stock is going to move fast in a couple of minutes, so we have to set up our trade really fast. So first we'll set an entry point. Entry point will be somewhere over here. Yes, let me change it to a signature entry color. Now, what's going to happen today with the price action I'm seeing, there will be a sudden downside movement and we want to capture all that movement. That's exactly what we are going to do. So first, second and three. Yes, let me label everything. This is going to be a really fast trade. Probably in 10-15 minutes we can achieve our target. And let's see, we'll look at the price action. So just look at the chart right now and tell me whether you can identify any pattern. Just look it over here. If you look it, you can see something called a head and shoulder pattern. I'll explain you after. Let me set up the trade first. I'll give you an analysis. And if you need a detailed analysis of how did I spot it, how am I setting my entry point and exit point and the target levels, there is a description. In the description there is a link of our Telegram community where we'll post our detailed analysis. I'm expecting a really smooth trade, so let's see what will happen. That's going to be target 3. Everything is set. Let me label the stop loss too. Yes, give me a minute. Yes, now our trading setup is complete. The moment it hit our entry point, the trade will get triggered and we just have to watch what will happen. Let me put our entry point in a good place. Yes, now if you look at it, you see it's called the shoulder. This is the head, this is the another shoulder. In 5 minutes time frame, this is not actually visible, so what we have to do is that we should go to a lower time frame. So when you go to a lower time frame, everything will be really visible. Now, did I solely went for the head and shoulder pattern? Not exactly. There was 2 confirmations, I'll tell you. And if you look at the price action over there, you can see the red candle is breaking the low. And you see, this is very different from our all other trades still we have done. Now what we have to do is that we have to go to a lower time frame. We'll go to a 3 minutes or a 1 minute time frame. Now, if you look really closely, can you see this one? Yes, can you see the head and shoulder pattern? Let me label you. So this is the shoulder. So what happened is that it resembles to our shoulders, head and shoulder. This will be the head. Yes, this one will be the head. And this one will be the shoulder, but still we can call that the shoulder. And this is also a shoulder. So what happened is that if the stock goes beyond below that neckline, we'll put our entry point, and this is the movement we are expecting to catch. You see there is a good head and shoulder pattern, and also there is a double top pattern. Can you identify a double top pattern here? Just look closely. If you can't, don't worry, just join our Telegram channel. I'll mark everything and I'll show you where was the double top pattern. Now we have 2 confirmation. We have the price action, we have the chart pattern. Now the game is to wait, let the market go, let it take our entry point, and we'll get good profit from here. Like I told, I'm expecting a really fast movement. to the downside. Yes, and everything looks really good. So let's see. Can you identify the double top? Yeah. If you could, just drop a comment below and I'll update you further. When the moment happens, I'll update you further. Thank you. Hello guys, welcome back. As you can see, the time is 1:06 and just look how good our trade was. It hit target 2 and just look how clean the target was. Every single second of the trade we were in profit, and the price action is suggesting that it will come and hit our target 3. So if you are a safe trader, you can change, you can close your 40 to 60% of your position in the target 2 and wait for the rest of position to come and hit your target 3. Let me change the arrow so you'll understand how seamlessly this trade progressed. Now this is exactly why I say knowledge is quite important in stock market. The amount of money you make is directly proportional to the knowledge you have. These are just easy money. We just spotted the pattern and the price action, then we placed trade and we achieved quick profit. Just look how good it progressed, how seamlessly it came, all in a matter of minutes. And I'll update you further. Hello guys, welcome back. We have achieved all our targetry just like I said. This is the power of price action. Just look how good the trade was. If you learn price action, there will be no one in stock market that can stop you. I'll go to the 1 minute time chart. Just look at it. The moment we entered, every single second we were in profit. This is exactly why I say you should learn price action. If you want a detailed analysis of this, join our Telegram channel. I'll see you in the next trading section.